Hi geeks, I am Navneet and welcome back to the world of Android. This is the second video on Android in this channel Want to Learn Programming. In first video we have seen what is Android and skill set required. In this video we will look at Android history and versions, that is evolution of how a mobile OS grown from nothing to everything. So Android history. In October 2003, uh, Android was founded in Palo Alto, California by Andy Rubin and his friends. Then in July 2005, Google acquired the Android and made Andy Rubin the director of mobile platforms for Google. Then in November 2007, Open Handset Alliance was formed and Android was launched. In last video I have explained the significance of OHA. In October 2008, Android was open sourced, and the first commercially available smartphone running Android was the STC Dream, which was released in the same year, 2008, October 22. In April 2009, first version of Android 1.5 Cupcake was released. So now we'll see Android versions. Uh, these are the different versions: 1.6 Donut, 2.1 Eclair, 2.2 Froyo, and the latest version Android 6.0 Marshmallow. So now we'll look at each versions. So Android 1.6 Donut. This is the uh, version of Android which brought the world under the fingerprints. It had features like quick search box where you can search for content in internet or in your mobile, and it had size diversity, that is the OS can be used in different resolution mobiles, and most importantly, means we can say it had Google Play, the market for Android apps. The next version was Android 2.1 Eclair. It had the famous feature like live wallpaper, as you can see here, and it had Google Maps navigation, which gives you um, what you can say turn by turn directions, and it had home screen customization, um, which can be thought of as you can customize home screen as you want, and speech to text conversion. Just by clicking a microphone icon you can speak and it will convert it to a text. And then we have Android 2.2 Froyo. um, it had the famous option of voice actions, that is by sound of your voice you can search, get direction, make notes, set alarm and more. And it introduced portable hotspot. You can turn on your mobile as a Wi-Fi hotspot. And the performance of Android was uh, improved 5 times by introducing Dalvik JIT compiler. Then we have Android 2.3 Gingerbread. uh, it had gaming apps, so it had high graphic games, which was possible by giving the developers low level hardware low level access. And it had NFC, which means near field communication, which lets you connect two devices just by bringing them closer. And it had better battery management. uh, yeah. Then we'll see Android 3.0, the Honeycomb. It was designed like tablet friendly OS, by which you can reading books and watching videos was easier. It had a newly designed system bar, uh, where which eliminates physical home, back, and menu buttons, and it had quick settings like you can view the time, date, and Wi-Fi connection status, etc. Then we have Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich. It had features like customized home screen with your favorite trays, and data usage control was introduced, and Android Beam, which allowed two phones to share contents using NFC. And next version we have Android 4.1 Jelly Bean, and which had Google Now, which shows today's weather forecast, and if you have booked a air ticket, it will show boarding pass and terminal details, etc. And it had actionable notifications, which you can expand and see more details. And it had account switching, which enables multiple users on single device, by which you can share the phone and not your data. And next version we have Android 4.4 KitKat. It had a OK Google. Yeah, just by saying OK Google, you can launch a search, send a text, and play songs. And immersive design, so which enables to hide everything else except what you want to see. And smart dialer, which enables functionality like if you get a call from unknown phone number, you can see the place from where you are getting it. So next version we'll see the Android 5.0 uh, Lollipop. This version got total new look and feel, and that is material design, and it had multi-screen option. Yeah, like Lollipop works on all devices from your phone to your tablet, Android Wear, that is watch, and or it can be Android TV. And it had notification shown on lock screen. Next we have Android 6.0 Marshmallow, the latest version of Android while recording this video. Uh, Now on tap. On tap means just tap and hold the home button to get all assistance. Like you can say it, it will open the Google navigation, play song, etc. Permissions. So you can turn on and turn on off permissions for different tabs. And battery. So the battery is made smarter, so not to work harder, it became smarter. So this is Android 6.0 Marshmallow, and these are the different versions of Android. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. So in the next video we will see how to download and install Android Studio. So thank you for watching.